Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook posts on different niches. So guys, you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and you can also target the offline market. You can go to google.com and search websites according to your niche. Then contact to the website owners by going to contact us form in the website and ask them that you can maintain their social media presence, and they will surely hire you. So let's go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online, and you can easily learn this. It is very handy. If you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to the playlist section. Here I uploaded a complete series which is called Canva designing course, and you can search uh, Canva designing course, and you can, after watching this playlist, you can completely know everything about Canva. So let's get started. In today's video I will teach you about how you can create a Facebook post on gaming niche. You can contact to the gaming YouTubers as well. So I click on Facebook post. I click on this. It is loading. Wait for some seconds. It's basically depend upon the internet speed. So in the templates section I search gaming, and as you can see there are different gaming templates available, and these are very good templates. So let's select one of them. Yeah, it is good. This template is like crazy. So let's change the photos. Yeah, this look good. After that we have to add some elements. So I search here gaming. So I think it's look good. Yeah, it's look good here, and I want to change the color of this line. So I search here yellow. So it's look good. So guys, I think that's it for today. If you okay, I also put a dummy website here. You just have to take the details of your client and put it here, and your work is done. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.